Hello guys, this is Sebastian from Amsterdam Institute of Trading. Welcome to the market outlook and analysis for this week. Just to quickly have a look on the economic calendar, there's a full week ahead, so please adjust your risk management accordingly. Further going to the trader sentiment, I will pick up the top two today and the bottom two, as I like more this proportion instead of picking up also the third one. Euro New Zealand dollar is quite bullish, it's inside the trend channel. I set a target of around 1.805. Pound Australian dollar, it's bullish, I set a target at around 1.92. Euro pound, bearish, the target is this support level around 0.8550. The New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, it has hit the bottom channel, so a pullback might be possible to 0.83, this level around here, and then it might bounce back and continue the trend. We'll have to see. Okay guys, thanks a lot, enjoy the week.